Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance care and maintenance specialist, and this is part 3 of my series talking about 6 of the most common laundry issues that people don't realize can be caused by using too much laundry detergent. Issue number 3, your laundry comes out of the washing machine with mystery streaks, spots, or stains. Usually they'll appear lighter on dark clothing and darker on light clothing, but either way, it is almost always a detergent buildup. With the way that modern washing machines are designed, there is little to no way for you to be able to get any kind of grease or oil from the machine parts onto your clothing. And if you really think that's the case, that is a call a technician situation. What is very common is finding a detergent buildup inside of a machine that's creating those spots, streaks, or stains. Because if you're using too much laundry detergent in every single cycle, it's going to continue building up. And it can't continue building up forever. It's going to reach the point where it's going to start flaking off. And when it starts flaking off, it lands on your clothing, and sometimes, it can stain your clothes. Because again, a detergent buildup is not just detergent. It's a combination of detergent and all of the grime from your clothing. Now, it is possible to have a detergent buildup inside your washing machine that does not cause that to happen. So just because you're not getting mystery stains on your clothes doesn't mean you don't have a detergent buildup, and it also doesn't mean that you aren't using too much. However, if you have a really, really bad detergent buildup, seeing it on your laundry is a very common symptom.